Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we have here a table, and that's because we're going to be unboxing a very special device that I just got from China. This is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. Yeah, it's a super long name, but we don't have it officially here in Malaysia yet. I got this device directly from China for RM1200, and if you're in other parts of the world, that is approximately close to $300 US. So compared to the previous Redmi Note 10 Pro that we do have, it is significantly more expensive, about 200 ringgit more, or approximately $50 US more. So I'm very excited to see what's in this box here, because I've seen the pictures online and it has a flat edge on its side. So I'm very excited to unbox this together with you guys. Now before we begin, of course, if you do like content like this, don't forget to drop a like or sub to the channel to see more content like this in this wonderful kitchen. Alright, without further ado, let's just unbox this Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G right away. Now bear in mind, I did notice that this box here looks very nice compared to the previous one. It does have this gold lettering on top of it, and at the back here, realize that we do have that Redmi Dragon back again on the back of this box here. So very cool stuff there. We're gonna unbox this guy straight away right now, and very quickly just gonna put that knife where it's supposed to be, and we're gonna peel off these plastics right away. Alright, so very excited again to see this device. Let's see. Alright, first and foremost, you do see the dragon in the middle here, the Redmi Dragon right here. We're gonna pull this off now. It's probably going to have the case inside. I'm just going to show it to you guys very quickly. We do have the transparent case. Let me just show it to you guys so it is a proper unboxing. This is the case that we do have in the box, and there's pretty much nothing else inside, alright? So putting this aside, we do have the device here, guys. This is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, guys. This is the one right here. We're going to put that down for a second because we want to see what else came in the box. I'm going to show you guys here in case you guys think I'm cheating. We also have a Type-C cable. Of course, got to pull it open and show it to you guys. This is the Type-C cable. And guys, this is a brand new first for the Redmi Note 11 series. And we do have a 120 watt charger in the box. Now this thing here is crazy, guys. According to Redmi, it can charge the device from 0 to 100% in only 15 minutes, guys. So 5 minutes will bring you up to approximately 50%, and 15 minutes will take you to 100%. This is crazy stuff. 120 watts charger in an affordable range device here. Alright, now done with all the accessories, let's check out the main star of today. This is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. We're going to unwrap this guy in front of the camera. And of course, we're going to peel off that hideous sticker at the back. And there you go, guys. This is it, guys. This is the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. And guys, it looks amazing here. On the sides, like I said, we do have this flat sides all over. On first impressions, I do like the back cover here because it has this matte feeling. It feels very much more premium than its price itself, guys. It feels amazing here. And notice that whenever I tilt the device from side to side, you'll see a slight color shift there, which is very subtle, but we do have that shift on the side to side. So it's a bit like an emerald green kind of look here at the back panel. Now on the top left corner, we do have that triple camera setup here, although you do see there are a couple of more holes on the back camera here. We have a main 108 megapixel sensor. We also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel telephoto lens here. So a triple camera setup on this Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Now back to the sides here, this device is not really a very thin device. It's a slightly heavy as well, but I do like the fact that we have this slight heft here. Again, on the sides, it's completely in green. I'm not exactly sure what the material is, but I notice here it's all in matte. That means it's good to feel with your hands. Now just looking over at the top here, we do have stereo speakers, bottom and top, and of course it still comes with the headphone jack at the top portion, guys. The headphone jack still remains on this Redmi Note series here, and at the bottom you do have your SIM card tray together with your USB Type-C port. Moving on to the left panel here, everything is just very clean and smooth. You have no buttons whatsoever over there. And on to the right here, you do have the volume rocker together with the power and lock button. Now moving on to the front here, since I'm talking about this device as well, we do have the same 6.67 inch AMOLED display that refreshes at 120 Hz, and in the middle you do have that selfie camera. It is a very small selfie camera, but it still comes with that hideous silver ring around it. So that's just something that I should point out as well. Now I did notice that it comes with a screen protector already pre-installed on this Note 11 Pro Plus. So all good is over there. In terms of the power, we're now getting a Dimensity 920. It is only 6 nm, that means it's more efficient. And according to just the numbers itself, according to a Geekbench test, and I'm going to show you guys very quickly right here, this processor here is actually about 40% more powerful than the outgoing Snapdragon 732 that we saw on the Redmi Note 10 Pro from a few months ago. So definitely you will be able to see some increase in performance here with the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus model. Now again, this is what we have here. Again, this is just a very quick unboxing. I'll be definitely testing out this device and showing you guys more in the full review. But please stay tuned to this channel here. I hope you did like this very quick unboxing of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Again, I must say that this is a very beautiful design here. Definitely looks way more premium than it actually cost. And yes, those flat sides, guys, this is the way to go in terms of the design direction. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel if you want to see more content in this wonderful kitchen. And I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!